is Loes Glandorff.
And my name is Achim Heine, and we're the mindfulness trainers at Yogaschool Noord. And we want to tell you something about how the training works and who we are.
So why are you a mindfulness trainer?
I was starting to meditate when I was 19, 20 years ago, and really enjoyed the whole process. Actually, in the beginning it was very hard work, and then got more pleasurable. And I got more and more the feeling that this is really deepening my life and enriching each situation. So this is why at some point, also during other work and all kinds of stuff, family life, I decided I want to become a mindfulness trainer. So this is why I do this for a couple of years now. And you?
Well, in my youth I had to fight a lot with depression and burnouts, and at some point I was just done with that, and I thought, well, this was enough. And as an anti-crash course, I did the mindfulness training, and it worked miraculously well. It was a lot of hard work, as you mentioned before, but since then I haven't had a single burnout nor depression, and I've even become happy, which is which is such a transformation, and life has become an adventure for me, and I'd love to share a bit of that sort of approach to life with as many people as I can, basically. Openness and adventurous. Yeah, it's fantastic that I'm able to.
So would you say that's like the main thing that people get out of the training? How would you say that?
Everybody happy. That would be super. I think in general, you can't really give any, how do you call that? Results like that. But what you can say is that mindfulness trains your awareness of the present moment. And in doing so, you learn to make conscious decisions, and conscious decisions usually that are healthy for you and that fit the situation. And because of that, you become resilient against stress. And we can see that broad here, stress. There are people who are trying to recover from burnouts. Right. There are people who just have busy lives or a career. But it can also be stress from emotional stress,
Of course.
Dealing with depression, things like that. And mindfulness helps you to both find the volume button on your amplifier, so to say. So by training to be more in the present, you become more healthy at what you do.
Right.
And it also deepens your enjoyment of life, because you're simply there. You're there when it's nice, you're there when it's boring, you're there when it's difficult.
Sounds nice.
Sounds wonderful.
So how do we get it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so maybe let me tell you something about how the 8-week training is built up.
Yes.
So we start with session 1, session 2. Each session goes for 2.5 hours roundabout, and it's very much practice based. So it's not so much an intellectual exercise, but you're really immersing yourself into these practices and really dive into it by doing. And that's usually done daily. If you want, you can commit yourself to doing it daily. That would be great. And usually it takes like 45 minutes, something like that. And by doing so much practice and being busy with pretty much nothing, just yourself, and making this time for yourself where you can not think about stuff but just be, you open a whole new chapter usually in your life. We're not so used to doing that, and that's why it stays so interesting, and people keep on doing mindfulness trainings, because it's really something that adds something to our lifestyle in general.
Especially the Western lifestyle, right?
Especially the Western lifestyle, the busy people, heady and all that. It gets you more into your body and more into the moment.
And what do you mean when you say it gets you more into your body? Is it more like growing awareness of your body? Is that it?
Yeah, growing awareness, and it's by practicing sitting, but also by practicing moving, of course.
Yeah, that's
true. And by walking, lying down, all kinds of different practices we have.
Sounds exciting.
Sounds exciting. It's very simple, and so this is what we offer, and if you are interested, you can find it on the website on Yogaschool Noord. On the right side, there's somewhere workshops, and you'll find the mindfulness training there. It's also in Dutch, of course, and in English. We alternate, so you can see when we start an English one. And you can come to an intro workshop and get to know us and know more about it. You can ask your health insurance in case there's lots of health insurance is refunded or parts of it. So you can check that out. You got something more to say?
No, you're very welcome at the next intro workshop. Hope to see you there.
Okay.